Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful town named Serenityville, lived a curious little girl named Mia. Mia was known for her love of mysteries and her adventurous spirit. One night, under the twinkling stars, Mia noticed a peculiar glow coming from the forest. Intrigued, she decided to investigate. As she ventured deeper into the forest, she found a clearing where the glow was the brightest. There, she saw a beautiful, shimmering tree, unlike any she had ever seen before. Approaching the tree, Mia reached out to touch its leaves. Suddenly, the tree began to sparkle and transform, revealing a hidden door. With a gasp, Mia opened the door and stepped inside. Inside, she found a magical library filled with books of every color and size. Mia picked up a golden book and began to read. The words seemed to dance in front of her eyes, teaching her about the mysteries of the universe. As she learned, she felt her mind expand with knowledge and wonder. Hours passed, and Mia knew it was time to return home. She closed the golden book and stepped back through the door. When she stepped out of the tree, the forest was no longer glowing. Mia returned to her home, her heart full of newfound wisdom. From that day on, she shared her knowledge with everyone in Serenityville. Mia's adventures in the mystical forest had changed her life. She became a beacon of knowledge and curiosity in her town, always eager to solve the next mystery. And every night, she would look up at the sky, remembering the glowing forest and the magical tree that had brought her so much joy. So, whenever you feel curious or lost, remember the story of Mia and the Mystique Moonlight. Embrace your curiosity, seek out mysteries, and remember that there's always more to learn. Good night.